prevent normal seating and use of the safety restraints provided. For your safety,
Well, ladies and gentlemen, waiting to board the Falcon ferry for your safety, please take a big step
So we
behind
packed her
that
into
white
it.
safety line and away from those metal gates. Once again, please take a big step behind that white safety line.
Bribed her, I guess. So if you don't know what Falcon's Fury is, it is the park's 300-foot tall drop tower. But when we get to the top here, we will no longer be in the normal seated position. We will go in a prone position parallel to the ground and face the ground while we fall. Get some really great views of the park up here. Sadly, there's Scorpion just sitting there, unbothered. There's Wazzy. Oh boy, here we go. Oh man. Oh. My God, this. There you go, not too bad. All right, Jose, what'd you think? Oh, good stuff.